Are you like me? And when you look for a new rug, you want one that is going to be soft on your feet, but also be able to handle dirt and mud and leaves and animals coming in and out. I'm Gina with WTI, and this rug from Rombol has hit all of those points. This is actually a dirt trapping mud mat. It is recommended that you keep your animals' nails trimmed because if not, they will catch because this has 3D loops. Now, initially, I had this out in our warehouse and I found that my cat was using it as a scratching pad. You can see that some of the loops got pulled from that. I just cut them off with a pair of scissors, and you can't even tell that I did that. There's no holes or anything in the rug. I was really surprised at how comfortable this is to walk on. In fact, I loved it so much, I took it out of the warehouse, I put it in our home, and we have it just in our entrance. And it's really helped to cut down on dirt getting into the rest of the home. This comes folded, so there will be a few lines in it. What I did was use my hair dryer on medium, and then I placed that straight on top of the carpet, and then I just slowly moved it along the lines, and that got rid of them. I'm so impressed with this rug. I think that you will be too, and that's my point of view.